So Futuregrowth's been investing in developmental private equity for about 15 years and 9 years in early stage investments. Having built up a track record and considerable experience and recognizing the huge potential early stage investments offers our investors, we've now set up the High Growth Development Equity Fund. The fund invests in companies that are in the early stages of their development and have a strong developmental impact. The average deal size is about 15 to 16 million rand, so about $1 million. But depending on our conviction, we could increase this investment up to about 45 million. Investing in early stage, high growth companies provides retirement fund investors with the opportunity to achieve far higher returns than those available in public markets or from more mature companies, albeit with higher risk. As such, risk mitigation is absolutely critical for these type of investments because they're exposed to different market forces as disruptors naturally, given that they are still in their early stages of their journey. Thus, it's important that retirement funds, I think, invest in diversified portfolios of early stage companies and with an investment manager with a long and successful track record of investing in early stage investments. We aim to support South African entrepreneurs who are brave enough to take risks and push the boundaries by building innovative, scalable technologies that actually disrupt industries. We believe that by backing these individuals, we'll be able to play a key role in solving South Africa's unemployment crisis and unlocking our country's growth potential while still delivering a meaningful impact. Our investment approach is centered around a few key principles. We place a significant amount of emphasis on the quality and strength of the management team. We view our investment as a partnership with our investee company management teams, which means that we need to be aligned with the founders or as shareholders. We also look for management teams that have the right balance of technical skills as well as business acumen. Another thing we look at is innovative technologies. Our sweet spot is actually investing in companies that have innovative, disruptive technologies, as mentioned, as well as product market fit is quite important. We prefer backing businesses that have been already started generating revenue from these sort of core products and or services. Another thing that's quite important for us is a strong, scalable growth opportunity. The business proposition needs to be scalable with a strong competitive advantage because the company offers a unique product or service that their competitors do not offer. And that's what gives it the ability to be scaled. And it has to be sustainable. Also, the company needs to be a market disruptor. We look at businesses that are disrupting these industries. Again, I mentioned that for higher growth, preferably in an attractive, sizable potential market for its product or solution. And for us as Futuregrowth, the most important being the developmental impact. Another must-have is that these companies must have that positive impact on our communities in South Africa as a whole. Therefore, companies with a strong development impact is something we really love investing in. The fund, I think, has a broad mandate with regards to the sectors and regions that we look at investing in, but we're kind of sector agnostic. We believe the South African market's too small to potentially focus on one sector. So again, the mandate's broad. We invest across a wider range of sectors with a bias towards South Africa, and we are looking at, and through some of our investments, the broader African regions as well. So Futuregrowth has a strong deal sourcing capability. I think it's one of the aspects that sets us apart in our view from some other investors in the space. As well, over the years, we've built strong relationships with stakeholders in the ecosystem. And these extend from founders, other private equity, early stage investors. At Futuregrowth, I think our priority is to build and maintain this strong relationship because, with these individuals in the network. I think one way of we doing this is actually executing deals professionally, efficiently, so we can maintain this good reputation and brand that we already have in the market. We want to make sure that there's, whenever there's a new investment opportunity that arises, be it, early stage as well as, other established private equity, Futuregrowth's top of mind. I think Futuregrowth, is also known as being the leading fixed income manager in the country. And as a result, we've already had a strong investment process and capabilities that were kind of developed over the years that's enabled our equity team to draw on. The debt investment process was also, as a result, also gives us another source of deals. So, and lastly, I mean, we keep track of deals we decline historically, and we maintain relationships with founders. And to the extent that those deals now meet milestones, etc., that weren't previously met, they become investment opportunities again for us. I think in addition to just funding businesses, we get actively involved and as partners in businesses by providing them, with strategic guidance, supporting them on a wide range of operational matters, and this can include like recruitment of key staff, ensuring that their government processes and structures are robust. Where we can, we also provide companies with access to new markets and other opportunities through our own strategic relationships and partnerships that would not otherwise have been there had they not partnered with us. I think lastly, we can also potentially provide additional follow-on capital. Some funds invest only once off. We do have the ability to follow on investments. So together, this increases the odds of the business achieving success and navigating any challenges that may arise, I think, and ultimately protecting and enhancing the performance of the fund and thereby allowing us to deliver good returns for our investors. Given the societal impact of investing in this asset class, I mean, this fund is highly developmental in nature and fits well within Futuregrowth's philosophy. Futuregrowth, I mean, is a leading developmental investor, and the High Growth Development Equity Fund will sit alongside Futuregrowth's other developmental products.